Hello, welcome to the Household of Faith. Today we're continuing to talk to you about managing our resources. As you can see, I am at the laundromat. I am doing laundry. This is a very reasonable laundromat because the loads are 75 cents to wash and 25 cents for 10 minutes in the dryer. And so far all the dryers heat up really good, so that's always a plus. We're talking about managing our resources. Now today I did my normal morning workout and I had to wash my hair. So I had to account for that time and then I had to do laundry. It seemed, in all honesty, it's a lot to do in one day, but it was a day I had actually planned to do laundry. And then I thought about, oh, you know what, I need to wash my hair too. So it was my lighter day at the gym, meaning that I didn't do the additional 30-minute circuit. So that was a lot easier and timely. I wash my hair at the gym because I'm going to take a shower anyway, so it just makes sense to do it. Simple little hairdo. And I'll take it down tomorrow because it's going to take a day or two to dry without help. Some of the things that we think about when we go, now I needed to wash my big comforter and it needs to go in a front loader, and what they have here is a machine that does triple loads. There's no discount on the price. You just simply pay the same thing that you would pay for 3 of the regular top loaders, and that was okay because I need to wash it, about once a month, make sure that it's clean. And so I did put a few extra things in there. It's like, why is she talking about laundry? Because a lot of times we don't think about it, we don't plan things that we need to do. And I have been guilty myself in the past of at the last minute, oh, I should have got that, I need to watch this, I should watch that. And I make a lot of my own hats and scarves for the winter. And you wear them, you wear your gloves and you're touching everything. We need to wash those on a regular basis as well. So I like to coordinate my colors. So I'm gonna have, conceivably throughout the week I may wear 3 pair of gloves. I may only wear them once, but you know what? I figured that I should go ahead and wash those as well. These are some simple basic things that we don't often think about, but when we need something, then we have to backtrack. Instead of just being a little bit more prepared, planning a little bit better, managing your resources is all part of time management. God wants us to be good managers. If you don't keep up with your gloves and you're constantly having to buy them, you can go to the little dollar store and buy those. Those gloves don't last very long. If you only have 1 pair, it's only going to last you maybe not the whole winter season, depending on where you live. Now here in North Texas, it's cold and then it's not, it's cold and it's not. So it's easy to misplace the gloves. And sometimes it seems simpler to just go ahead and buy another pair of gloves as opposed to keeping up with the ones that you have. And you end up wasting money. It seems like, oh, it's only $1. But when we are good stewards of the money that God has entrusted us with, no matter where that money comes from, whether it's from an income from a job that you work, or it's from money that you receive, for whatever benefits that you have, be it retirement or so forth, or government, whatever it is, that's still finances that's made available to you by God. And being a good steward of whatever God has given you, it takes diligence, it takes prudence, and it does, like I said, it takes some planning and it takes to preparation. That's some of the things that we always want to consider when it comes to our walk, because God is looking at every aspect of our lives. He covered finances quite a bit. He covered how we deal with one another and managing resources. Jesus talked about that in the parables. We need to really be concerned about that, not worried, but we need to have a good long look Once again, I urge you all, if you haven't had the chance to access and download that activities and endeavors sheet, please do so and begin to track your time, the time that you're spending. You know, there are things that I need to do. I haven't been able to get to the work that God has called me to, but this is life. I have to have clean clothes. You know, this is life. I have to, clean my body, and I need to wash my hair at least once a week. So these things I have to plan and be prepared to do. Okay? Well, I hope this has been a blessing to you. Thank you so much for joining us once again at the Household of Faith for our daily devotional videos.